Hey Misfits, Toni Craft here. Happy October, happy Halloween. We're gonna make this disgusting neck slice necklace with blood dripping down, and it is so simple. You guys are gonna love this. It is like the easiest thing in the world. Really, you can use anything to make it red. I did mine sort of red and sparkly to add a little pizzazz to it. And honestly, I used yarn to tie it onto my neck. So it's really easy, and I hope you enjoy it. Thanks so much for watching. If you would hit like and subscribe, I would appreciate it, and hit that little bell if you want to get notifications. Thanks so much for coming by, and I'll see you next week.